Welcome. In this video, I want to cover how to fix an address on Google Map when it's taking you to a wrong location. You know, we all had situations on DoorDash, on Spark, and other apps where it took us to a neighbor's street, took us to a neighbor's house, took us completely to a wrong location, and some of us didn't even notice it, and we dropped off that order at the wrong place, and we kept on going, and we till today we're like, oh, you did a good job. So there actually is a way to get it fixed, and within a week it's going to be updated with Google, unless Google for whatever reason decides that you provided wrong information. So let's begin and let's go through that process. So first I'm going to turn off the camera. Then we're going to go to Maps. So I'm going to go and select random house here. First wall house by the Walmart, because you cannot really do businesses. I tried doing that on businesses, doesn't work. So we're gonna do this 989 US 27. I'm gonna click on it, which is going to bring up the address, information about the house, the street view. And then you're going to go here at the bottom. It says suggested added on 989 US 27. We're going to select that. And sorry, not in that. And then we're going to hit the fix an address. And then we go, and then the first thing it's going to ask us to adjust. So let's say we want to move that to that customer's garage. So we're gonna hit next, and if you have any address suggestions, like we want to make sure that there's a dash on that. We can put in a dash. So any recommendations will go. And then we're gonna hit submit, and that's pretty much it. I am not going to submit it because I am right now, for the training purposes, providing false information, and that address is accurate already. So I'm just going to hit cancel. And that's how you fix customer's address. So like we going to go one more time, you're going to hit suggest and edit. Then it's going to allow you to adjust it on the map to the right spot. Be careful what spot you're adjusting, because I had a situation with a customer where I already delivered to the customer house, and when I adjusted the pin and I saved, and when I got there, I realized that I adjusted the pin to their barn instead of to the house. So I had to go and do an update, and I'm not sure if the second update Walmart updated it or not. So next time I deliver, I'll see what happened with that update. So want to be careful where you update the pin, because this was where I had to drive down their property like for 3 miles, huge property, and I kind of picked the wrong building as I was driving on their gravel road to their house. So just want to be careful what you choose, what you select, and go there. So those of you that want to fix problems on Google, fix addresses, so next time you're not taking it to the wrong place, and others, deliver, because there is situations where you'll have addresses where customers constantly complain, oh, it's always delivered to my neighbor's house, it's always getting this or that. You see those customers usually require signature at delivery. All of that can be resolved through a little fix. Now, I do not know how it's done on Apple. Never use an Apple phone. Don't even own one. But I'm pretty sure there has to be some kind of a similar system as well. So, take care and be blessed.